Welcome, young learners. Today, we're going to dive into the amazing world of food chains. Have you ever wondered how plants and animals depend on each other for survival? Well, a food chain is like a puzzle that shows us how everything in nature is connected. By understanding food chains, we can appreciate the delicate balance of our environment and learn how each living thing plays a vital role. So, get ready to explore the exciting journey of energy flow from producers to consumers and discover the importance of maintaining a healthy ecosystem. Let's embark on this learning adventure together. Number 1. Producer. The first image in the illustration shows plants as producers. Plants are able to make their own food using sunlight, water, and nutrients from the soil. The rain and sunshine help the plants grow and become big and healthy. Number 2. Primary consumer. The second image in the illustration shows a grasshopper as a primary consumer. A grasshopper is an animal that eats plants. It feeds on the plants for its energy and to grow bigger. Number 3. Secondary consumer. The third image in the illustration shows a frog as a secondary consumer. The frog is an animal that eats the grasshopper. It gets its energy by eating the grasshopper and also grows bigger. Number 4. Tertiary consumer. The fourth image in the illustration shows a snake and some ground plants as tertiary consumers. A snake is an animal that eats frogs and other small animals. It is at a higher level in the food chain. The snake also consumes plants sometimes to get the nutrients it needs. Number 5. Final consumer. The fifth image in the illustration shows a hawk as a final consumer. A hawk is a bird that eats snakes and other small animals. It is at the top of the food chain and does not have any natural predators. Number 6. Decomposer. The last image in the illustration shows fungi under the heading of decomposer. Fungi are decomposers that break down dead plants and animals. They help recycle nutrients back into the soil, which is essential for new plants to grow. So, in this food chain illustration, the plants, producers, are eaten by the grasshopper, primary consumer, which is eaten by the frog, secondary consumer, which is eaten by the snake, tertiary consumer, which is eaten by the hawk, final consumer. The fungi, decomposer, help in breaking down dead organisms and returning nutrients to the soil.